If you clicked on this video, then you're probably like me and you spend
way too many hours a week editing your videos.
But what if you could edit twice as fast?
Ali Abdal told me about this new software called Descript, and I tried the free trial and I got hooked. It legit has helped me to edit my videos twice as fast, and it's saving me about 5 to 10 hours a week. Today, I'm gonna talk about 1, what it is, and 2, how you can use it to edit your videos twice as fast. What is Descript? For these types of talking head videos, it's probably the future of video editing. Whereas Premiere Pro, Final Cut, they're footage-based editors where you edit the video by cutting the footage. Descript is a text-based editing software where you edit the video by cutting the words. You drop in your footage into Descript, it will transcribe it and turn it into a text document. And then you can basically edit the text and it'll edit the video. Let's say you took 10 takes of a certain line, and instead of having to watch every single one of those 10 takes or trying to skip around till you find the last few takes, you can just look at the paper, you delete all the takes in front of it, then it'll show you that final take. Realistically, Descript will probably help you edit 2 times, 5 times, maybe even 10 times faster. How to use Descript to edit twice as fast? First, you want to sign up for a free trial. Go to descript.com, click Get Started for free. You are going to want to sign in with an email, start downloading, and you can see down here the installer. So let's unzip it, zip it good. Now you click it to install Descript. Once you finish installing Descript, let's open it up. Let's log in, go to your Drive workspace, click New Project, and give it a title. So I like to just name it by date. Now this is where things get really cool with Descript. This is where you upload the footage into Descript. So I go back to my footage, drop this file into Descript so it can be transcribed. And you can see here, it's adding the file. So Descript has finished transcribing. Let's check out the video. If you click on this video, okay, so you can see all the takes I did, and it's a big chunk of text. This is what you normally have to do. If you click on this video, then you're probably like, me. So you can just see that I can just skip these 2 takes and just go to this last take. Okay, I just cut that out. I'm just editing it like a text document here. I shot multiple versions of this hook. I remember in the first version, my first few lines were good. Everything else was kind of garbage. The last version was pretty decent, so let's find it. It was when Ali Abdal told me about it, and then I got the free trial. So all this text here, normally you would have to watch through. Even if you're watching at 2x speed, it's still a lot to watch through. But now I can just see it in text form and know I don't need it and delete it. If you're enjoying this and want to get more creator and business tips, definitely that subscribe button. There's this really cool feature which removes all the uhs and ums automatically. I'm going to click this Descript, go to edit, remove filler words. There's 32 of them here. They're all gone. Once you finish with the A cut, you can add B-roll and music in Descript. Or what I like to do is I want to put all the finishing touches in Final Cut. You go to Publish, export a timeline here. And you can do it through Final Cut. I'm going to include the media files in the export. You click Export, boom. So let's open up the Final Cut XML. I'm going to bring it into my Final Cut library. Now you can finish it off in your software. Descript has saved me a ton of time. If you want to try it out and get a free trial, I have an affiliate link here, petersu.com/Descript. Keep creating, and I'll see you next time.